My name is Ramona Blanco, and I am a salon owner and a master stylist here in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Redken Shades EQ and how to mix the product properly. The things you're going to need in order to use this product are a scale for accurate measurements, very important, a mixing bowl, a tint brush, a spatula, a pair of gloves, your processing solution, and the Shades EQ shade of your choice. In order to achieve predictable results with Shades EQ, the product is recommended to be mixed 1-to-1. 1-to-1 for hairstylists means equal parts processing solution or developer to pigment. Okay, so to demonstrate, we're going to use 9V Platinum Ice from Shades EQ, and we're going to use 10 mils. And this product is 1-to-1. So if we have 10 milliliters of color, we're going to add 10 milliliters of processing solution. Roughly. You want to be as accurate as possible though. You want to mix the product together until you can tell that there is a consistency. And then you're going to use your tint brush to apply the color. Alternatively, you can use a plastic squeeze bottle. However, most professionals find that this wastes a lot more product. For best results, Shades EQ can be applied at the bowl on towel-dried hair. You want to use a tint brush for even distribution, and you can even use a comb to brush it through end to tip or just roots to mids if you're trying to do a root mount. Shades EQ toners require a duration of 20 minutes for processing time. This time ensures that you have fully deposited the pigment of your choice. Demi-permanent colors such as Shades EQ toners traditionally last between 6 to 8 weeks. Toners are demi-permanent, so they're not meant to stay on the hair permanently. You can expect to see a change in tonality and pigmentation over time. In order to take care of your color, you want to use sulfate-free shampoos. Always perform a patch test before you do a full application. Results can vary based on hair types and conditions. Shades EQ by Redken is a favorite amongst professionals. There's a wide range of pigments for your cool blondes, bright to vivid colors, bright reds, as well as natural tones. The reason Shades EQ by Redken is a unique product is because it's an acid-based toner. This means that it seals the cuticle of the hair after being applied, which leaves your hair super shiny and soft. Shades EQ is very easy to use. However, if you have any doubts, always consult with a professional.